What up, good people? Huge shout out to Southern Volkswagen for allowing me to review the 2025 Volkswagen Golf GTI. Today we're introducing the 2025 Volkswagen Golf GTI, wrapped in a dazzling opal white pearl that turns head before they even start moving, stretching 196 inches in length, standing 57 inches tall, and riding on a 103-inch wheelbase. This high hatch gripped the road with a confident 5-inch ground clearance, built for those who crave performance and precision in one bold package. Right here we're looking at a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbocharged, pushing out 241 for the torque, 273 at 2,000 RPM, for the 0 to 60 in 5.7 seconds, for the top speed 128 miles per hour. This having an impressive fuel efficiency of 34 on the highway, 25 in the city. Here's the sound of this beast. You can see for yourself, the Golf GTI have a timeless design, sophisticated yet but thrilling, sporty but comfortable. That's over the hill will be the drive that you take. This have an MSRP of $40,000. Look at the Golf GTI, low, aggressive, and absolutely dialed in. It's sporty, it's sleek, and admit it, it's calling your name, right? Now ask yourself, would you trade in a year worth of just getting by for the keys to this 2025 icon? Because this isn't just a car, it's a statement. With the key fob in my pocket, the door unlocked. Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with black and gray leather seats with red accents throughout the whole vehicle. Right here we're looking at a digital analog gauge. On the left you have your RPM with your gas gauge. On the right you have your MPH with your miles. In the middle you have your road sign. Using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel where you can customize your cluster gauge, go through your settings, navigation, audio, and much more. Using the touch function on the left side of the steering wheel where you can go through your cruise control settings, your gap assist, and your volume control. Looking on the right side of the steering wheel where you can go through your menu button, heated steering wheel, and your voice command, and your plus and minus paddle shifters. Looking on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control with mirror control. Right here, we're looking at a 10-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You have your touch function climate and volume control. The buttons right here are your assistant, climate, your hazards light, and your drive mode. In the cubby area, you have your 2 Type-C outlets with your wireless charging pad. You have your engine start button, aka your push button start. This particular model is a keyless entry. You have your shift lever. This particular model is a 7-speed transmission. Behind the shift lever, you have your electronic parking. You have your cup holder area with your 12-volt outlet and your key holder. Just in case your battery died in your key fob, you can place your key right in here and still start it up. Now we're making our way inside the center console. Wow, this is pretty deep. You can put 4 zebra cakes in here. You have your glove box for extra storage space. We then made our way up to your interior lighting with your moonroof control alongside your SOS safety connect. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're also greeted with black and gray leather seats with red accents. You have your air vent. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. You have your cup holder area. We then made our way back up to your interior lighting. Your passenger have 2 Type-C outlets. I'm 5'11" with a little leg room with a decent amount of headroom. The leather feels soft. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 19.9 cubic feet with a 60-40 split, measuring at 34.5 cubic feet. Wow, this is pretty spacious for a hatch. Once again, huge shout out to Southern Volkswagen for allowing me to review the 2025 Volkswagen GTI. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.